Let us discuss the fifth method to express concentration, that is molality. Okay, so let us see what is molality. Molality denoted by small m. Molality denoted by small m. It can be defined as, the definition is very important here, number of gram moles, number of gram moles present in 1 kg solvent. 1 kg solvent. Okay, is it clear? 1 kg solvent. Okay. Number 3, the representation, molality can be represented as m is equal to n by weight of solvent in kg. Weight of solvent in kg. Okay. So we know that n is equal to number of gram moles. It is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Okay. In case of molarity also we have seen this. So now let us write this equation as, consider this as equation 1. The another method, m is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by weight of solvent in kg. Okay. The third form is small m is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams. Is it clear? Fourth point, being there is no involvement of volume in molality. Okay. So here it is weight based method. It is temperature independent. Temperature independent. Units for molality. Units for molality is moles per kg. Moles per kg. Is it clear? So this is about the important points regarding molality. Okay. Now let us see a problem based on molality. Okay. If 18 grams of glucose dissolved in 1000 grams of water, what is the molality of solution? Molality of solution. GMW of glucose is equal to 180 grams. GMW of glucose is equal to 180 grams. Okay. So based on the information given in the problem, we have to select the formula, suitable formula at first. Okay. So here they have given the things in grams. Okay. So we have to search for the formula where grams are there. ఎక్కడైతే గ్రామ్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఫార్ములా మనము సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే. After selecting formula, we have to go through the data given in the problem. Okay. Here, from the formula, we have to need weight of solute, gram molecular weight of solute, and weight of solvent in grams. Okay. So here, weight is equal to 18 grams. Weight is equal to 18 grams. Gram molecular weight is equal to 180 grams. Gram molecular weight is equal to 180 grams. Weight of solvent is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams. Okay. By substituting these in the formula, okay, in the given formula, M is equal to weight 18 grams divided by GMW of glucose 180 grams into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams, that is 1000. Okay, these both are get cancelled, and here 18 tens are 180, it is equal to 1 by 10. It is equal to 0.1. In such a way we have to consider. But the one important thing is we have to check in the problem what they have given. Okay. If they have given the weight of solvent directly, we can substitute in this formula. Otherwise, we have to subtract the value, the weight, and then you have to get the answer. Okay, let us see another model of problem. What is molarity of 560 grams of aqueous solution? Is it clear? In previous problem, they have given that only water, that is solvent in the previous problem. In the previous problem, the weight of solvent is given directly. Keep in mind. But now, they said 560 grams of aqueous solution containing 60 grams of urea. What is the molarity? Okay, GMW of urea given, that is 60 grams. The GMW of urea is 60 grams. Is it clear? Now let us see how to solve the problem. The formula is same for this problem and previous problem also, the same formula. Now let us see the data. Okay. Here weight of solute is equal to 60 grams. Okay. GMW of solute is equal to 60 grams. Okay. Here now weight of solvent is equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute. This is very, very important. For such problems, we have to go through this step. Okay. Now, weight of solvent is equal to weight of solution given in the problem, that is 560 grams, minus weight of solute given in the problem, 60 grams. It is equal to 500 grams. After subtracting weight of solute from the weight of solution, we can get weight of solvent as 500 grams. Okay. Now let us substitute the values. Small m is equal to weight 60 grams divided by GMW 60 grams into 1000 by what is weight of solvent here? We got 500 grams. Okay, these both will get cancelled. 500 into 2 is equal to 2. So this the molarity of the solution is 2. Okay, 2 moles per kg. This is the molarity of solvent, means solution, molarity of solution. Okay, so like this we have to observe carefully in the problem what they given, whether it is solution or solvent. Okay.